The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign is a public research-intensive university in the U.S. state of Illinois, a land-grant university. It is the flagship campus of the University of Illinois system. The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign is the second oldest public university in the state, and is a founding member of the Big Ten Conference. It is a member of the Association of American Universities and is designated as a RU/VH Research University. The campus library system possesses the second largest university library in the United States after Harvard University. The university comprises 17 colleges that offer more than 150 programs of study. Additionally, the university operates an extension that serves 2.7 million registrants per year around the state of Illinois and beyond. The campus holds 647 buildings on 4,552 acres in the Twin Cities of Champaign and Urbana. Its annual operating budget in 2011 was over $1.70 billion. History. Between several cities, Urbana was selected in 1867 as the site for the new school. From the beginning, Gregory's desire to establish an institution firmly grounded in the liberal arts tradition, which was at odds with many state residents and lawmakers who wanted the university to offer classes based solely around industrial education. The university opened for classes on March 2, 1868, with 2 faculty members and 77 students. Gregory is largely credited with establishing the university as it is today. Gregory's grave is on the Urbana campus, between Altgeld Hall and the Henry Administration Building. His headstone reads, "If you seek his monument, look about you." The library, which opened with the school in 1868, started with 1,039 volumes. Then President Edmund J. James, in a speech to the Board of Trustees in 1912, proposed to create a research library. It is now one of the largest public academic collections in the world. In 1870, the Mumford House was constructed as a model farmhouse for the school's experimental farm. As of today, the Mumford House is the oldest structure on campus. The original University Hall was the 4th building built. It stood where the Illini Union stands today. During the presidency of Edmund J. James, James is credited for building the foundation of the large Chinese international student population on campus. James established ties with China through the Chinese minister to the United States, Wu Ting-fang. In addition, during James's presidency, class rivalries and Bob's Upix winning football teams contributed to campus morale. On June 11, 1929, the Alma Mater statue was unveiled. The Alma Mater was established by donations by the Alumni Fund in the classes of 1923 to 1929. The statue was originally stood behind the auditorium until moved to its current location on August 22, 1962. Like many universities, the economic depression slowed construction and expansion on the campus, but during this time the old University Hall began to collapse in 1938. The university replaced the original University Hall with Gregory Hall and the Illini Union. In years following World War II, the university experienced rapid growth. The enrollment doubled and the academic standing improved. This period was also marked by large growth in the graduate college and increased federal support of scientific and technological research. During the 1950s and 60s, the university experienced the turmoil common on many American campuses. Among these were the water fights of the 50s and 60s. In 1998, the Helena Gateway Plaza was dedicated. The plaza features the original sandstone portal of the new main University Hall. The state of Illinois supplied roughly 2/3 of the university's budget, while the federal government funded 90% of research. In recent years, state support has declined from 4.5% of the state's tax appropriations in 1980 to 2.28% in 2011, a nearly 50% decline. As a result, The university's budget has strongly shifted away from relying on state support, with nearly 84% of the budget now coming from other sources. On March 12, 2015, the Board of Trustees approved the creation of a medical school, being the first college created at Urbana, Champaign in over 60 years. Evolution of name. The original name in 1867 was Illinois Industrial University. In 1885, the Illinois Industrial University officially changed its name to the University of Illinois, reflecting its agricultural, mechanical, and liberal arts curriculum. This remained the official name for nearly 100 years, until it was changed to the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign in 1982, ostensibly to establish a separate identity for the campus within the University of Illinois system. Starting in 2008, the university began rebranding itself as Illinois rather than UIUC, changing the website and email addresses from uiuc.edu to illinois.edu. Campus. The main research and academic facilities are divided almost evenly between the twin cities of Urbana and Champaign. The College of Agriculture, Consumer, and Environmental Sciences research fields stretch south from Urbana and Champaign into Savoy and Champaign County. The university maintains formal gardens and a conference center in nearby Monticello at Allerton Park. 4 main quads compose the center of the university and are arranged from north to south. The Beckman Quadrangle and the John Bardeen Quadrangle occupy the center of the engineering campus. Boneyard Creek flows through the John Bardeen Quadrangle, paralleling Green Street. The Beckman Quadrangle is primarily composed of research units and laboratories, and features a large solar calendar consisting of an obelisk and several copper fountains. The main quadrangle and south quadrangle follow immediately after the John Bardeen Quad. The former makes up a large part of the liberal arts and sciences portion of the campus, while the latter comprises many of the buildings of the College of Aces spread across the campus map. The campus is known for its landscape and architecture, as well as distinctive landmarks. It was identified as one of 50 college or university works of art by T.A. Gaines in his book The Campus as a Work of Art. The campus also has a number of buildings and sites on the U.S. National Register of Historic Places, including Harker Hall, Astronomical Observatory, Louise Freer Hall, the main library, the Experimental Dairy Farm Historic District, and Morrow Plots. U of I's Willard Airport is one of the few airports owned by an educational institution. Sustainability. In October 2010, the Sustainable Endowments Institute gave the campus a grade of B for sustainability in its 2011 College Sustainability Report Card. Strengths noted in the report included the campus's adoption of LEED Gold standards for all new construction and major renovations, and its public accessibility to endowment investment information. The university makes a list of endowment holdings and its shareholder voting record available to the public. The weaknesses are areas such as student involvement and investment priorities. The Student Sustainability Committee is empowered to allocate funding from a clean energy technology fee and a sustainable campus environment fee. While the university aims to optimize investment return but has not made any public statements about investigating or investing in renewable energy funds or community development loan funds. However, the biggest weakness of the university's sustainability is its shareholder engagement, as the university has not made any public statements about active ownership or a proxy voting policy. In his remarks on the creation of the Office of Sustainability in September 2008, Chancellor Richard Herman stated, "I want this institution to be the leader in sustainability." In February 2008, he signed the American College and University President's Climate Commitment, committing the University of Illinois to take steps in pursuit of climate neutrality. Academics. The university offers more than 150 undergraduate and 100 graduate and professional programs in over 15 academic units. In 2015, the university announced its expansion to include a medical program, which would be the first new college created in Urbana, Champaign in over 60 years. The university also offers undergraduate students the opportunity for graduation honors. University honors is an academic distinction awarded to the highest achieving students. To earn the distinction, students must have a cumulative grade point average of a 3.5, 4.0 within the academic year of their graduation and rank within the top 3% of their graduating class. Their names are inscribed on a bronze tablet that hangs in the main library. Several scholar opportunities include James Scholars, where undergraduate students invited to pursue a specialized course of study for no less than 2 years of their undergraduate coursework. 94. Chancellor's Scholars, where undergraduate students are invited to participate in the campus honors program. 95. And Senior 100 Honorary, which recognizes graduates for achievements in leadership, academics and campus involvement throughout their undergraduate education. The Leadership Certificate is a multi-semester structured program which aims to develop students' leadership skills through different kinds of curricula and programs. Admission to UIUC is rated as more selective by U.S. News & World Report. For fall 2014, UIUC received 35,822 freshman applications, 21,150 were admitted and 6,937 enrolled. For enrolled freshmen, the middle 50% range of SAT scores were 590 to 690 for critical reading, 700 to 790 for math, and 600 to 690 for writing. The middle 50% range of the ACT scores were 26 to 32 for composite, 26 to 33 for math and 26 to 33 for English. Of the 43% of incoming freshmen who submitted high school class rank, 59% were in the top 10th of their graduating class and 90% were in the top quarter. For the freshmen who were admitted for the 2016 school year by November 2015, the middle 50% range of the ACT composite was 27 to 32. The middle 50% range for the SAT was 1320 to 1470. The middle 50% means that 25% of students are below the range and 25 students are above the range. Admissions differ between the different colleges, schools in UIUC. The School of Social Work has the lowest ranges with the middle 50% range of the ACT at 24 to 27 and the middle 50% range of the SAT is 1150 to 1350. The middle 50% high school class rank is 74 to 90%. The College of Education has the middle 50% range for the ACT and SAT at 25 to 29 and 1200 to 1350. The high school class rank is 77 to 93%. For the College of Agricultural, Consumer and Environmental Sciences, the middle 50% range of the ACT is 25 to 30 and the middle 50% range of the SAT is 1230 to 1390. The middle 50% high school class rank is 79 to 95%. The College of Applied Health Sciences is similar with the middle 50% range of the ACT 25 to 30 and the middle 50% range of the SAT at 1200 to 1350. The middle 50% high school class rank is 80 to 95%. The College of Media has the middle 50% range for the ACT at 26 to 30, SAT at 1230 to 1400 and the high school rank at 80 to 92%. The Division of General Studies is also in that range with the middle 50% range for the ACT at 25 to 30. Middle 50% range for the SAT at 1300 to 1420 and a high school class rank of 79 to 94%. The College of Fine and Applied Arts has the middle 50% range for the ACT at 25 to 30. The SAT score middle 50% range is 1200 to 1390 and a high school class rank of 72 to 94%. The schools start to make a more significant increase with the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. The middle 50% range for the ACT is 27 to 32, the SAT is 1320 to 1450, and the high school class rank is 85 to 97%. The middle 50% range for the ACT and SAT for the College of Business are 28 to 32, 1320 to 1440, and the high school class rank is 88 to 97%. The most selective college is the College of Engineering. The middle 50% range for the ACT is 31 to 34, the SAT is 1400 to 1520, and the high school class rank is 92 to 99%. Rankings in the 2016 U.S. News & World Report, America's Best Colleges Report. UIUC's undergraduate program was ranked tied for 41st among national universities and tied for 11th among public universities. The graduate program had over 40 disciplines ranked by within the top 25 nationwide by USNWR, including 15 within the top 5. U.S. News & World Report ranked the undergraduate and graduate accounting programs second and third respectively in the United States in the 2016 rankings. The College of Business was ranked 47th nationally, the College of Engineering was ranked tied for 6th at the graduate level, with 9 disciplines ranked within the top 10. Computer science was ranked 5th in the country. Chemistry and physics were also ranked within the top 10 at the graduate level. The College of Education was ranked by USNWR at 24th overall, with 3 programs ranked within the top 10. The Graduate School of Library and Information Science was ranked 1st in the nation, with 6 programs ranked within the top 10. The university was also listed as a public Ivy in the Public Ivies, America's flagship public universities by Howard and Matthew Green. Although there is no formal ranking process for HR/IR programs, employers and students acknowledge that the University of Illinois is one of the top 3 programs, according to the School of Labor and Employment Relations website. Kiplinger's Personal Finance rated Illinois 36th in its list of 100 best values in public colleges, which measures academic quality. Keystone Financial Aid, the Princeton Review ranked Illinois 1st in its 2016 list of top party schools. Internationally, the university was ranked 29th in the world by the Academic Ranking of World Universities. With UIUC Engineering ranked 4th, it was also ranked 36th by the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, and 59th in the world by the QS World University Rankings.